Hi there. Welcome to week 37 for science. So, last week we were working on weather. We did not meet, we did not really talk much at all about what you were doing, but you were to be working on this graphing weather chart. So, this was a combination of what we've been talking about in science class as far as weather goes, as well as charting, which we have been dealing with in math. If you don't have me for math, I am very much aware of what you are doing in math, so I do know you know how to fill out a bar chart. So this should be done because we will be using this week to kind of drive our lessons. So on Monday, we will be going over this chart. We will be sitting down. We will be talking about it. We'll be taking a look at it. We're also going to look at everybody's individual chart so that we can see and talk about how we get our weather. So a lot of us either watch the news, maybe you still get a newspaper, it's in there, or you use a weather app on your phone. This chart's going to help us because if you use a weather app, you may or may not know this, but weather apps all act differently. For example, I use one type of app, my wife uses another type of app. Some days we can sit down to plan out our weekend, like if we're going to go outside for a run, if we're going to have a fire, if we're going to have people over. And my weather app says that it's going to be 60 degrees and rainy. Her weather app says it's going to be 65 degrees and sunny, but it's going to be extremely windy. Not all apps act the same. And depending on what news channel you watch, whether it's channel 2, 4, 11, whatever, sometimes those meteorologists, the weather people, sometimes interpret or look at the information differently. So they'll forecast different temperatures or different types of weather. So we want to not only take a look at how we charted this, but we also want to talk about where you're getting your information from. So we could maybe take a look and investigate those to see what would be the best um, news channel to watch for weather or what would be the best app to check out for your weather. And then as we go throughout the week, not only will we be working on this, but we're also going to be taking a look at some of those weather channels and weather apps so that we can take a look at what they're using to give you the weather information that you are receiving. If we have any time left in the week, we'll also do a few additional weather experiments just because those are fun and we all seem to enjoy those. So please make sure you have your chart. If you don't have it done, please get into maybe a weather website or a weather app and get that taken care of because we are going to need this for this week. We'll be doing Zooms on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So make sure you're in here at 8 o'clock. Um, Thursday may be an exception though, because if some of you have social skills, we may not be able to do that. So I'm going to put it down as a Zoom for now. And if I need to change that, I will. As far as Wednesday, our virtual day, please check Teams, and that'll let you know what you need to do. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you at 8 o'clock for our